Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your host Meenakshi again. And thank you guys, everybody who is watching my videos. It inspires me a lot to make more videos all the time. And today I am in our farm, just near to our goat farm in Sonaigao. As you can see behind me, there are a lot of trees. It's more like a jungle kind of place with a lot of greenery around. Basically, it's a hilltop. I have previously made a video on this about the location of this place. And today there's a surprise. I'll not be showing you goats. I'll be showing you some beautiful guinea fowl birds. They are the natives of Africa, and I'm sure many of you have already seen the guinea fowl bird. It's a beautiful bird with black and white dots all over their body. And we also have a lot of chickens out here. So guys, as you can see, the chickens behind me, they are called Hunali chicken, and they lay eggs for almost 1.5 years continuously. And we have a lot of them, and we have constructed this place just recently. I mean, just a few days back, around 2 days back. So I'm just heading towards the chickens. It's a wired cage. Turada, ekhan khuli dong na bar. So we have a gate out here, so I'll have to open the gate to get inside and give you a closer look of the chickens. There. Hello. These are called Hunali chicken. The golden chicken. My dear. They lay eggs every day. And they'll be laying eggs for 1.5 years continuously. That is the specialty of these chickens. Some of them are sitting upstairs there, and these are their utensils where the food is given. And this is their water bowl where they drink water. There are around 200 chickens out here, both male and female. So that's it. Titi, 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 Titi. Everybody's watching. Probably they are understanding that I'm filming them. Titi. I just love this place. It's so windy and greenery everywhere around. This is our tent where we take rest during the day. And currently the guinea fowl birds are kept here. It's an emergency place we made for them, as we brought these guinea fowl birds just 2 days back, and we didn't have a proper place to keep them. So we have made it with tin, and we have covered it with some bamboos so that they don't fly out. Basically, they will be kept free. They won't be caged. But since they are new to this place, so we are making a temporary place for them. I mean, not a temporary place. We are making a cage for them to keep them temporarily. Later on, they will be freed here. And it's a small, beautiful place, as you can see. It's made of bamboo and wired fence. We'll cover it with tin in the on the top. And this is Ponoda and Turada. They are making this cage for the guinea fowl birds. So once this is completely done, we will be shifting the guinea fowl birds here. So I'm just waiting for this to be done so that I can get hold of this guinea fowl birds kept there and show you guys also. Till then, just have a look at the place. It's beautiful. That's the tent. And this place is full of greenery. It's a hilltop. I have already made a full video on this location of this place previously. It's very mountainous with lots of trees and fruits also. There are a lot of fruits here. And there we are also constructing a wooden house for us. It can be a chung bungalow, which we call it. So it's still under construction. People are working there. It will be made of wood and bamboo. So we can come here sometime and stay the night. I mean, spend the night. And everybody who is watching this video are also most welcome to this place. You can come here, spend the day, watch the beautiful animals around. And very soon there will be a angling place here. Right now it is covered with wild weeds and grass. So this whole place will be transformed into an angling river. So there will be a lot of fishes out here. So you guys, whoever is interested for angling, they can come here. And you can spend the beautiful day out here among the greeneries. And the best part, it is very close to Guwahati. It's just half an hour from Guwahati. So the birds are inside this cage. Currently we are putting it here so that once the temporary house is ready, we'll shift those birds to that place. So there these guinea fowl birds. They are inside this cage right now. They really fly high, so we have tied them inside this cage. This is Turada and this is Ponoda. Ike kot thobo gida?
Ai senghat thoi dibalo.
There are 3 females. The black ones with white spots are the female ones, and this white one is the male one. So their home is almost ready. This is the place where they will be kept temporarily once they get accustomed to this place. And we'll be covering it with a tin. It's in the process. And till then, let's see this guy cutting down those dead branches. I'm just excited when this place will get ready, this wooden house, so that we can come and spend the night here. এই মৰা কিবা কিবি আছে যে হেবলা উলাই দিবা
হেৰি এটো দিও নেকি এটো আই এটো হাকুটাল দি দিওক নেকি তাত হাকুটাল দি দিলে বেছি ভাল হ'ব হাকুটাল দি দিওক
So the birds are finally in their temporary home. They will be freed later on. So right now we have kept them here so that they become accustomed to this place. As I said, these birds are native of Africa and they belong to the quail bird family. Currently we have 4 of them, as you can see. The black and white dotted ones are the female ones and the grayish white is the male one. They have beautiful crowns, as you can see. So they have come to their new home. These birds are said to be very alert. I mean, if they see any unnatural things happening around them, for example, if there is a snake around them, they make this kind of noises. I mean, louder noises than this. These are wild birds now domesticated in most of the homes. So you can also keep them as pets. This is their water bowl, a natural bamboo water bowl where they drink water. And this is their food. They spilled the food here. It's so soothing to see these birds. I mean, I just love this place with different kinds of birds and animals. Bye-bye. So this is their door. I'll close it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before ending the video, I'll be taking you guys above the hill where our current this is going on. I mean, the construction is going in for the wooden place. It's a little high out here. The construction is going on behind me, as you can see. So I'll try to give you guys a closer look. So I have reached the top almost, and there's this landscaping going on, as you can see. Right now it's just the frame. And the view from up here is really, really beautiful. There's a fireplace here. Ki zolai se ate? Huh? Sabzi? Ki sabzi? Kosu. Oh, they're cooking some food here. The food is being cooked on this piece of bamboo. Bitot ase na? It's inside. Wow. I didn't know this was going on here. So there is some food going on. Come on, give it a khabale. I'm asking them to share with me. I don't know what they're cooking. These some wild vegetables, I suppose. This is really great. Wow.
Itu hon mesta tinga.
Huh?
Itu hon mesta tinga.
Oh. So these guys are basically from the tribal community and they are cooking some food in the tribal style. This must be some wild vegetables. So once the food is ready, probably I'll show you guys. And this is the view from the top. Now I'm really getting hungry. Excited also to see what's cooking here. So once the food is ready, I'll show you guys. So from the top, this is the view of our chicken farm. And very soon we will be raising some goats as well. There's a beautiful bamboo plant here. So my wild food is here. I'm just trying to open it. Let's see what comes out. Okay, this is the food. What is here? Looks like fish. This is fish. Some chilies are here. Wow. So this is cooked on that bamboo on the fire. I think it is smoked. It's looking wonderful. I hope it will taste good as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon for any new videos. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and the place as much as I did, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Have a great day everyone.